Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Con-Tact paper rolls is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly tools you can add to your DIY arsenal, offering a quick and easy way to refresh furniture, countertops, walls, and even appliances without the commitment or expense of a full renovation, transforming drab surfaces into stylish focal points with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Con-Tact brand Creative Clear Covering. Maintain your privacy with our semi-transparent film. It allows natural light to shine through while covering your doors, windows, and cabinets. Shield your shelves, cabinets, drawers, and furniture. Our BPA-free adhesive liner is perfect for any surface you want to protect. Crafted with premium, high-quality vinyl, this product is incredibly durable and long-lasting. We've been perfecting our designs for over 40 years. This liner is stain-resistant and waterproof, making it ideal for any room. Simply wipe away spills and dirt with a damp cloth. Applying this liner is a breeze. It's easy to cut and features a simple peel and stick method for quick application on any clean, flat surface. What we like? This offers excellent privacy while still letting in light. It's also waterproof and simple to clean. If you're looking to add a touch of privacy to windows or glass cabinets without sacrificing brightness, this is a great choice. What people say. The thin yet sturdy material provides a gentle cushioning to protect your shelves from scratches, scuffs, and spills. It offers just the right amount of grip to keep your items in place, ensuring they stay organized and securely nestled on the shelves. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its self-adhesive backing. It adheres seamlessly and stays in place. It has the cutting marks on the back for precise and straight cutting. It works great to line drawers, cabinets, etc. Easy to use and easy to install. It works just like Con-Tact paper but has the light diffusing diamond pattern that provides great privacy as long as you're further than about 8 inches from the window. I found it relatively easy to apply, and put it up using the heel of my hand to press it on and smooth out any bubbles. It is forgiving material and I was able to stick and re-stick it a few times if I started a row then realized it wasn't level, and it didn't seem to leave any residue behind. Number 4. Kassa Reusable Whiteboard Wallpaper. Introducing our innovative whiteboard wallpaper, designed for ultimate convenience. It easily attaches to any surface, making it perfect for your home, school, or office. Transform your space in minutes with our simple peel and stick design. It's a mess-free way to create your own customizable writing surface anywhere you need it. This generous roll provides plenty of space for all your creative ideas and planning. It's perfect for drawing, writing, and brainstorming. Enjoy the convenience of a reusable surface that erases cleanly without leaving any residue. Made from durable, water-resistant vinyl, it's built to last. Cut it to any shape or size to fit your unique needs. It's also a versatile gift option, perfect for birthdays or any occasion. What we like? This product transforms any surface into a reusable whiteboard. It comes with all the necessary accessories for immediate use. If you need a dynamic space for brainstorming, planning, or creative expression that's easy to update, this is perfect for your home, office, or classroom. What people say. It was really useful as I could clean it off and reuse it over and over again. It was quite easy to remove it after being in the wall more than 6 months. It looks fun, and it's easy to clean. I'll use a damp paper towel, or magic eraser. Number 3. practicalWs Wood Grain Con-Tact Paper. Introducing our wood grain Con-Tact paper, designed to bring the natural beauty of wood into your home. Its realistic texture mimics real wood grain for an authentic look. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this wallpaper is built to last. It provides excellent protection against scratches and damages, keeping your surfaces looking new. Renovating your space has never been easier. Simply peel off the backing and stick it onto any dry, flat surface. It's completely removable without causing damage. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, and more. Use it to refresh cabinets, shelves, tables, and even walls in any room of your home or office. Made from vinyl, this decorative wrap is waterproof and incredibly easy to clean. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth to keep it looking fresh. Worried about damaging your rental property? This removable wallpaper is the ideal solution. It adheres strongly yet removes cleanly, making it perfect for temporary decor. What we like? It provides a realistic wood grain appearance with a durable PVC construction. This is easy to clean and won't damage surfaces when removed. If you want to give furniture, countertops, or cabinets a quick and stylish wood makeover without the hassle of real wood, this is an excellent option. What people say. The white wood grain is beautiful. The grain's silver and reflects the light when directly above it, but it has a nice, natural white wood look, almost shabby chic. The rolls were very easy to use. The first roll I followed the directions exactly and it was simple. This stuff is very easy to clean too. I put this paper on my dining table and it's so easy to clean up any spilled food. Number 2. Con-Tact brand creative clear covering matte shelf liner. Maintain your privacy without sacrificing natural light. This innovative film is perfect for doors, windows, and cabinets, letting light shine through while keeping your space secluded. Shield your shelves, cabinets, drawers, and furniture with this versatile and non-damaging adhesive liner. It's the perfect solution for protecting any surface in your home. Crafted from premium, high-quality vinyl, this shelf liner is designed for durability and longevity. Trust in over 40 years of expertise in creating reliable adhesive products. Spills and dirt are no match for this stain-resistant and waterproof liner. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth, making it ideal for homes, offices, and garages. Applying this liner is a breeze thanks to its easy peel and stick method. Just peel off the backing and adhere it to any clean, flat surface for an instant upgrade. What we like. This offers a generous amount of material for covering larger areas. It provides privacy while allowing natural light to pass through. If you need a long-lasting, easy-to-clean solution for extensive privacy needs on windows or glass surfaces, this larger roll is ideal. What people say. The thin yet sturdy material provides a gentle cushioning to protect your shelves from scratches, scuffs, and spills. It offers just the right amount of grip to keep your items in place, ensuring they stay organized and securely nestled on the shelves. It has the cutting marks on the back for precise and straight cutting. It works great to line drawers, cabinets, etc. Easy to use and easy to install. It works just like contact paper but has the light diffusing diamond pattern that provides great privacy as long as you're further than about 8 inches from the window. It is forgiving material and I was able to stick and re-stick it a few times if I started a row then realized it wasn't level, and it didn't seem to leave any residue behind. Number 1. Arthome 17-foot, Rustic with self-adhesive wallpaper. Transform your space with the rustic charm of our wood look wallpaper. It brings a vintage feel to any room easily and beautifully. Each roll provides ample coverage, measuring 17 inches by 120 inches. This generous size ensures you have enough to complete any decorating project you envision. Installation is a breeze with our self-adhesive design. Simply peel off the backing and stick it to any dry, flat surface, no extra glue needed. Made from durable PVC, this covering is waterproof, oil-proof, and dust-proof. Keeping it clean is as simple as wiping it down. Unleash your creativity. It's perfect for updating cabinets, countertops, furniture, shelves, and even walls, adding a decorative touch anywhere. Need a change? This wallpaper is easily removable without damaging your surfaces. Enjoy decorating with peace of mind. We ensure your product arrives in perfect condition, free from wrinkles or damage, thanks to our premium packaging. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This features a rustic blue wood design that is both waterproof and oil-proof. It also includes grid lines on the back for easy customization. If you're aiming for a vintage or coastal aesthetic on furniture, cabinets, or walls and need a durable, easy-to-maintain finish, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It's very thick and bubble-free. This pattern is so forgiving. The thickness was impressive because you could work with it. It has a nice matte finish. The pattern hid this and the overlap really well. It cleans easily. For a large wall you can overlap ever so slightly and not have to worry about seeing it as the pattern allows it. Stuck first try easy to push out any bubbles as you go and been up for months and no signs of any peeling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.